Okay, so here are the questions you are referring to on like what approach to solve by. So we have three methods. We have solve by factoring, solve by the square root property, and the quadratic formula. So the square root property is what you want to do here because you have a squared quantity right here that you can isolate fairly easily, where there will be no other variables involved except for inside the parentheses. So you square root both sides. That's the square root property. This next one looks like you got correct. It's quadratic formula. Because the thing is, if you try to do square root property, I mean, you could by doing completing the square, but that wouldn't be ideal, especially since this is an odd value here in the middle. And so there'd be quite a bit of work to do here. And it's not factorable. If you try to figure out what multiplies to give you -10 and add up to 5, it's not going to work out for you. So when all else fails, that's pretty much when you want to do the quadratic formula. And then let's look at your last one here. So right here, this one you would factor and use the zero product principle. So see, this time you can figure out what multiplies to give you 10, but add up to 7 in the middle. So it'd be 5 and 2. So x plus 5, x plus 2, and then use the zero product principle. So let's see. So you put quadratic formula. So, I mean, it would work, but that's not the easiest approach on this particular example. So anyways, I hope that kind of helps address that.